How to contact support in Sausage Man. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're experiencing problems with Sausage Man such as login issues, payment problems, bugs, or account-related concerns, you can contact the game's support team. First of all, open Sausage Man and sign into your account. Once you're inside the main lobby page, go to the top right corner and tap on the horizontal menu icon. In the pop-up, tap on Support. Once you click Support, this will take you to the Customer Service Center page, where you can go ahead and scroll through the FAQs if you have any answers to your question over there. Browse the help articles to see if your issue already has a solution. If you still need help, then click on Contact Customer Service at the bottom. Select your problem type that you are facing, and now click on Submit Ticket. Go ahead and enter your title, detailed description, or you can also attach your screenshot or video that you have problem with, and then finally click Submit from the bottom. Right after you do that, you will be able to contact to the customer service center and you'll be able to open your ticket. Submit your request and wait for the response, and that way you will be able to contact your support in Sausage Man. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.